Hey yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to start a fashion brand, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with starting a brand is first build a community. So find a social media platform and grow yourself on that platform. So for example, you can take YouTube, you can take your channel and make it about whatever it is that you're interested in. So say for instance a mukbang, and you just do mukbangs throughout the whole channel. You can grow a community based on that, and then you can decide to sell a product. Or for example, you can go on Instagram and use your Instagram to grow a following base. So basically do something that you're good at, keep doing it, grow your fans, and then use that community to start to launch your product. 2, come up with a brand name. Don't spend too much time on trying to come up with a brand name. I think you can literally come up with a name, but just check to make sure that is a name that you can create a .com out of. Go to GoDaddy, you want to use a .com, make sure it's not used already, because 9 times out of 10 you're not the only person that thought of that name. So just double check and make sure. Okay, the third thing you want to do, so once you started building a community, come up with your brand name, all you have to do literally is get your legal documents, your business license, and your tax ID number. Your tax ID number would allow you to get things at wholesale prices or at a cheaper rate. So just make sure that you, whatever city you live in, you go on the tax website and you sign up for your EIN number. But make sure you also get that business license. And once you pretty much develop your community, you kind of came up with your brand name, you got your legal documents in order, you might want to start deciding on what you want to sell. So say if you were big on that YouTube channel and you wore hoodies all the time, or you wore shades all the time, or a hat all the time, you can literally sell one of those items because you already have branded that. So say if I wore this purple shirt every day in my YouTube channel, I could use that and start selling t-shirts, because people know I love t-shirts. Once you decide what you want to sell, find a place to host your website. So you can use something as simple as Big Cartel. Big Cartel is only $10 starting out, and I think that holds up to 25 items. So you literally could sign up, go on YouTube, figure out how to use Big Cartel, and pretty much create your website. It's that simple. Or you can go on Shopify and do the same thing, but it's not that hard. You can start selling your merchandise. You can sell it on your own and use the traffic that you already have organically, or you can also reach out to influencers and get them in your merchandise to boost the traffic as well as having your organic traffic. So pretty much that is how to start a fashion brand in a nutshell, and you can literally just make your money. So stop wasting time, start building your audience, figure out what you want to do, and fuck these jobs. I'm out.